Nandito tayo sa Kusina Filipino with Mr. Pinky Lampano. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, kanina pinag-uusapan namin yung the old days when with Dean's December and stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, tapos nakita nga namin t-shirt na Club Dread eh.
Yeah.
So yung tawag dito dati, it's before this one.
Before Dread. Red Rocks.
Before pa nung Timog. Before
Doon sa Timog din yun. Yung same location. Red Rocks yun. Before that, Zulu. Kaya Dave Lava yun, yung gitarista ng Rage. Doon. Yeah.
Anong era yung mga
80... Sa tingin ko, 86. Around 86. Alam ko, ang Red Rocks, I could be wrong by years.
Kasi after Red Rocks,
Naging Dread. Na.
Pero dati din sa team.
Basta yung ano na yun, yung block na yun sa Timog, well known yun for yung Persian kebabs.
Ayun yun, yung tambay
Yun doon sa baba nun, yun ang pinupunta ko.
So yung mga time na yun, sino yung mga regular sa Red Rocks?
Sa Red Rocks nun, ando na sila doon, sila Papa Dog. Early days, yeah. Sila Chiboy, andun sa Red Rocks. Marami, I think I've seen siguro Private Stock. They played there once. I could be wrong. Marami pa mga
Pero
banda
yung mga time na merong Red Rocks tapos Katrinas.
Oo, yun. Katrinas. Yeah, Katrinas muna. Katrinas.
Yun yung original.
Yeah, doon kami,
Wow. So, Dean's December, sino yung mga katambay ng Dean's December nung during that time?
Ang parang nag-adapt sa amin. Kasi nga, yung banda nga. Talagang kami pinaka-chong. Kami hindi pinaka-punk. Sa amin, kumbaga, mainly, more than anything, was gumption. Taas ang loob talaga.
Pero yung style ng Dean's December is like more like post-new wave.
No, new wave and stuff, Cure. Mostly it was taking after the founders. Hindi naman ako yung founder, I just joined them.
I see.
You know, I got recruited by them when yung singer nila, Mayo yata. So, I was the stand-in.
So after nung Dean's December,
Yeah.
then you transitioned to blues and everything. Then you always
ano
been
pa
a blues
mo-
guy.
Yeah, you can say that, you know, I grew up on folk. One of the sort of terminal dreams you had then was either mag-shakies ka sa folk singer.
Shakies, like
Shakies ka sa folk singer.
sa show ko
Oh,
ano
mo?
Arts venue.
Ha?
Arts venue.
Arts venue.
Or
Arts venue.
Hobbit House.
Hobbit House, yeah.
Yun ang mga target mo. But then, mal-coordinated. Hindi
Kasi
nagkakasabay-sabay yung kamay ko sa ano.
Hindi, pero at the same time, like, merong subculture na they love blues.
Oh yeah. Hindi, kasi it was more like, yung sa akin, I was listening to stuff that nobody else cared about.
Which was,
Well, you know, I listened to a lot of Dylan. Mga off chance, mga bagay na, you know, off the wall.
I think
Mga
like, that's
muddy,
what separates
old-
you
yung
as an
mga
artist
ano,
sa akin.
Well, yeah, I guess so.
Yeah.
And, you know, I cobbled things from friends, rad collection. And back then, I had better memory, so I could remember things better. Naaalala ko yung mga kanta. Or at least, if not the tunes, the feel about the song.
Yeah.
So, that's what I basically tried to recreate when I formed the band. And we sort of gravitated toward the blues.
Tapos, yeah.
Inano ko yun, and then I mixed all the influences that I had. course, hindi mo mawawala ron yung may ano ka, Louis, which is coming out of nowhere, which is really being casual, as punk as you can get.
Uh-huh.
But when you get as punk as you can get, that's the blues.
Uh-huh. No, like exactly.
Yeah.
It's like your passion, that's the punk part of
Oh,
it.
no, yeah, you can say that, yeah.
Pero like now you hear you're in LA, you're still playing music?
No,
Once in a while?
I do not. I sort of consider myself retired
Uh-huh.
a few years ago.
But like it's
So-
really cool to see you here.
Well, yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I'm supporting Steven here.
Yeah.
He was my former manager
Yeah.
back in the day, in the 90s.
Well, it's an honor.
And
like,
think about it, the 90s was like 26 years ago.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Well, Big Ilocano, it's an honor.
Thank
Thank
you.
you very much.
Thank
for
you,
your
sir.
time.
Appreciate it.
Cool.
Yeah.
Salamat.
Titignan ko lang.
Yeah, no, enjoy.